needed an A3 scanner, obviously, to carry on scanning in all of my brochures. Some of them are A4 and very simple. Some of them are bigger than A3. Lots of them are A3, although I don't have one to hand. But A3 scanners are expensive. So I did a thing and bought this Hewlett Packard M5035 MFP from Facebook Marketplace for 20 quid. Yeah. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? Random video, random thing, I'm sure you'll agree. Yes, myself and 3 other chaps from the office, I chucked it into the car. I then had to get it out on my own, and I've still actually got 4 quite important bolts to put back in it. But hey, it's it's really compact, really light. Oh. Hang on, it's caught in the rug. Oh dear. Oh gosh. It rolls around really easily on its 4 swivel casters, just like a Henry. It is an A3 scanner, I thank God. It cost me £20, which is phenomenally cheap for an A3 scanner. Obviously I have much more than just an A3 scanner. I have, where are we? Not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 paper trays. It's a bit late, I best not do that. It has buttons on the front. It even has a cupboard, and inside this cupboard, for the £20 that I paid, and I opened this morning, is a brand new genuine HP toner and some dust, which is fantastic. Yes. Moving around the machine, we have more things to pull out. I think this is the fuser unit. Gosh, that's a lot of dust. This is nothing. That's, I think, from being at work, that's when you pull the paper out when it jams. I know that much. This panel doesn't do anything. I was quite lucky because they do a one above this. This is the X. M5035X. They did an XS, which was basically that again with an automatic stapler. That would have been running on the cable. Interesting, wouldn't it? What else have we got? I'm not sure if that tray is actually working fine, but since I intend to never use it, it doesn't really matter. The toner that it comes with is in here, a monstrous 70A with an alleged 3,000 pages remaining. There is a thing here, and a thing here. Oh, and a little spindly wispy spider. I don't mind you. Yes, it is flipping huge, flipping big, and just listen to it turn on. Once I plug it in. It boots up. It has a touchscreen black and white display. The fuser and maintenance kit are literally 3/4 full. It copies stuff. Really badly, because I think it's an eco setting. From the flatbed scanner, it's only a black and white printer, we must not forget. So it all works. Obviously, yes, I'm incredibly stupid. It does get a bit worse though, as I found out earlier tonight, because obviously I need to scan from this to my computer. So I thought, let's try USB. Good old USB. And Windows 10 picks it up. It picks it up fairly well. I mean, if I just go to somewhere, Windows 10 picks it up as a printer, and it's ever so quiet. Does your printout, so it does printer very well. However, the main problem is it is not designed to scan over USB at all. Literally, you can print. I'm sure there's probably other stuff you can do, but if I find the stupid Windows fax and scan facility and press new scan, no scan detected. There's no nice GUI software for it either, because it's not a domestic printer. So let's try plan B. The second option is to network it, because that is ultimately what it is designed to do. If I go to 192.168.8.71, I can access all of its configuration. I can also set it up to scan to a network folder. So here, in my documents folder, in my pictures folder, I have a folder called Scan Dump. I shall delete what is in there. If I then take something to scan, like this VAX 111 instruction manual, which folds out to be a very annoying size. I've still got to fiddle about a bit, but it's so much easier than on an A4. But if I put it in there, push the button that actually sets itself up when you do the software, so all I have to do is just push two buttons and it scans. We can see that it spits out a lovely PDF. However, there's nothing to see here. So, let's rescan this file in a different format. If I choose JPEG, and I must also add context, this is at 400 even DPI, which I want. I want the highest DPI resolution I can get, because obviously I put these on my blog. So if we press scan again, oh wait, if we configure a folder, there we go. in a couple of seconds we shall see and file. Once I push the stupid yes button on the stupid machine, and we'll see that it literally starts perfectly, then corrupts itself all the way down the bottom. And the only way to fix that is to rescan at a much lower dot per inch. If we look at this one and zoom right into the bit it has scanned, you can see it's really, really clear. Especially for something that I'm going to put on my blog to have people, you know, download it as is. Problem with 200 DPI is that, I don't know, it just doesn't. I can scan at 600 if I go to work. 400 would be nice. I suppose that's not bad. I might put one on the blog and scan all of this in at 400 and see what happens, but that's not zoomed in very high. So yeah, it is a complete firmware issue. Where's my tab? It affects even the more modern MFP printers. It can't send the high DPI due to the SMB profile, apparently, the security protocols that are now hideously out of date. So what is my plan? Well, I don't have one. End of story. I don't know. I'm going to do a test run at 200 DPI, put it up on the blog, so you can have a look at the link. I'll put it down below when it's up. And we'll see if I'm just being stupidly fussy or not. But there is a plan B and a plan C. Plan B is get my IBM ThinkPad T40 out, which has Windows XP, which is when this was made, and see if having the proper software means I can scan it locally via the USB, because there is possibly something there. Plan C is I can make it email myself the photos, and apparently that works on the higher DPI. So I make a test Gmail account, find some way of making Thunderbird of Outlook automatically download attachments and then batch them over, download the photos and try again. I'll let you know how that goes in a future video, but that is it for now. Normal service will be resumed on the usual days. I'm really chuffed. It is an absolute bargain for £20 and I will get such good use out of it. But the thing is, when I'm done with it, with that brand new toner, I can ask around at the schools, I can ask around at my kids' PTFA club, you know, Charlie's nursery. Put it up on Facebook for free. I paid £20 and I'm having £20 worth of fun now. And I feel a bit bad putting it up for more because it came from a local group, but I'm not a complete scumbag. I basically don't have to drag it to the tip. So if I can give it away for free to a good home, I'm not going to print 3,000 pages on it. I don't really print. So I'll chuck a few bits out for the kids, but I won't fit that brand new toner. So we can go with a brand new genuine toner. So for now, myself and my new friend, which I'm now going to find somewhere to put, will see you soon. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.